there! After the video, please make sure to visit our sponsor, theclickengine.net. The ClickEngine service will send super high-quality clicks to your affiliate links on autopilot every single month. Go to theclickengine.net and see the customer success stories for yourself. Thanks. Now enjoy the video.
Oh boy, do I have a method for you learning machines today so you can earn over $2,000 per hour with this method, guys. Here is a website and an offer and a product that's called the Amazing Selling Machine. And basically, it is a digital product where you can promote it and just make tons of money, guys. This is high-ticket affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this and make racks, because this is a great product to promote, and you can make a lot of money promoting it. And it's endorsed by a ton of really like authoritative people in business and entrepreneurship. There's a lot of like big results people are getting with this program, and I'm not an affiliate for this program, and I'm not like endorsed here to recommend it or anything. I just want to give you guys a method that you can consider, and I'm gonna give you everything step by step to do where you can seriously make some good money promoting this for free. And if you want to, you can make even more money by just doing paid ads. You can apply to be an affiliate, boom, and then you just give your name, your email, your company name, or you can just do your own name. And then all you gotta do, you just kind of, if you are an existing member to their platform, you can put that there. And then your phone number and everything like that, your experience level and everything you plan to promote with. And you just tell them, hey, I'm gonna promote on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or anywhere else. And then put in your tax form. You should get approved super easily. And then you're ready to go. This digital program is a very high ticket program because it gets really big results. But not only that, it's because they just have so much they're giving. They also give a lot of like instructors time, the people inside who are teaching stuff. They give a lot of one-on-one, and that's another reason why it's high ticket, plus it's a lot of community. As you guys can see, the Amazing Selling Machine pays you $2,392.80 per referral. And the cookie duration lasts 60 days. So if someone clicks your affiliate link, you have a chance to have them buy within a 60-day period. That's really good, especially for a high-ticket program, because most people won't buy instantaneously, and so you need a cookie duration that lasts over 60 days. They've got training, they've got tools, they've got business resources, and so much more for all their customers and clients that buy the Amazing Selling Machine. And that's why it's such a no-brainer offer, and that's why it converts so well. All right, guys, so let's say you're promoting this offer. Let's say you get paid $2,000, somewhere around there, per sale. You can just get one sale per day and you make $2,000 a day. Or you can get one sale per hour when you're doing things big and things are running really well for you, and you can end up making per day, and this is not too crazy, $48,000 per day, and then per month that can turn into over $1 million, guys. This is not too crazy to imagine doing because this is a really good offer. It's high converting offer and it's high ticket. Now, if a bunch of people chose the package of $997, and let's say you get paid $500 of that sale per day, and more people are buying that one, let's say you get $500 times, let's say you make 24 sales a day. I mean, it may sound crazy, but that's just per hour, guys. And when you have things running per hour on a per hour basis, I just think big. That's just how my brain works. But like, it's very realistic. You could totally do it. But at first, let's just say per day you get one sale. That's $500 a day. But based off this math right here, $500 times 24 hours in a day times 30 days in a month, you guys are going to get paid $360,000 per month. And that's not too crazy, guys. Like, I'm a huge affiliate here with what I do and the things I do. And I've shown you guys my results. If you're new here, go check out other videos on the channel. But I'm telling you right now, this is just a method I would do if I had more time. Like, I wish I had more time in this world per day and everything to do all these different methods, because they all work, and I'm sharing you guys a method right now in detail what to do. And so you can promote this, and I'm telling you, like, you can crush it, guys. Okay, so hopefully you're excited by now. I'm literally going to give you gold here. Okay, you're going to strike gold here. You can see right here, this is a bunch of stuff they're giving. They're giving people plugins for their browser. They're giving them product analyzer tools. They're giving them keyword research tools, a bunch of software that they're getting along with the digital program. Okay, so they're really getting a lot here, and that's why it's what it is. And basically, when you send people here as an affiliate, people have a choice between a $997 offer and a $3,000 offer right here. And man, people buy this stuff like crazy. And this converts. It sells at a really high rate because they're split testing a ton of stuff here. They have a really good sales page here, guys. And as an affiliate, that's your dream come true. And by the way, it's just as easy to promote a high ticket offer like this as it is to promote an offer that pays you $7 or less. It's just about like taking action and doing what I'm about to share with you, the methods that I came up with for how you guys can just get results promoting this. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. This is exactly what I would do if I wanted to make money promoting this offer. So I would make a YouTube channel. I would literally make review videos, okay, maybe one per week, a review video about the Amazing Selling Machine. And what the Amazing Selling Machine is about, it's about Amazon FBA. It's about how to make money with Amazon. Basically how you can put products on Amazon, kind of drop ship them and private label them. And Amazon's like the biggest e-commerce site in the world. And so it's easy money for people, okay? It's a really good method for people to make money with. And a lot of people get results with it because Amazon has a huge customer base and you're basically guaranteed as an Amazon seller to have your products sell over time. The key to it all is to be able to sell your products as quickly as possible and find winning products that really sell. There's only so many people here that are like actually doing good reviews about this offer right here. And all these videos I'm sure have made them tons of money. You don't need a lot of views to do it. I bet this guy right here made a few sales just from 345 views. And so this is what I would do. I would make one review video about this offer right here per week. And then on the YouTube channel I'd make videos just talking about the money selling machine. And then what I would do is I would make videos hopefully per day or every few days about the Amazing Selling Machine and kind of just talking about it and customer testimonials and my experience with it. And if I didn't want to get inside of it initially, I would get inside of it eventually after I get a few sales, and I would show inside the Amazing Selling Machine and everything people can get. Now, the ultimate way ultimately to actually get people inside the Amazing Selling Machine is to make content about Amazon FBA. Okay, and Amazon FBA stands for Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. These are where the big viewed videos are, obviously, compared to the other ones I just showed you. These are just talking about the product itself. And that's good to do because this is where you get sales happening for you. But this is where you acquire the audience itself. If you had a passion about Amazon FBA or if you're interested in it, you can obviously do better in making videos training people about it. What people really watch clearly based off this is they want full guides. They want full tutorials. And then what you do is you link people over to this offer you're selling about the Amazing Selling Machine. What you also want to do is this. You want to create an opt-in page. And here's a bunch of examples of opt-in pages, okay? You've got this one right here, you got this one right here, this one right here, and 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 this one right here. And basically what you want to do is you want to make an opt-in page where you're giving a bunch of great stuff for free, talk about Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. It could be your own training or just a bunch of YouTube videos you find that are good that you basically link people to where they can get value from, but you have their email now. And then what you do is you have a follow-up sequence with them. Basically, you'd have a autoresponder email follow-up sequence, and I'm sure this affiliate program of the Amazing Selling Machine would give you a bunch of emails you can use for your autoresponder. Basically, you have people's email, and then you just have these emails go out, and they follow up with everyone inside your email list forever if you want to, and eventually people will make a buying decision because most people buy down the road. Most people don't buy instantly, and so your big money is made as you have your whole funnel set up and your email autoresponder sequence set up. Now, you could direct link in your YouTube videos and anywhere else you want to market. I'm not saying you just do YouTube. You can also post your videos that you're going to create. You can literally post them onto Facebook and onto Instagram and do outreach there. But most of the world is on YouTube, guys. I mean, just freaking look at this metric right here. 55 billion monthly visits, and it's the second biggest site in the world other than Google. And this is the site where you can post content on that actually does really, really well, other than doing blog content. So you make YouTube content, you're gonna crush it. You can do YouTube Shorts if you choose to grow, but you also want to make long form content that teaches people and has viral potential because you want to really, really get big videos going. Okay, if you want to see what the biggest potential is for this overall niche, this is in a whole nother country, but that's 3.8 million views. Now, if you guys just want to make a decent income, if you guys just want to make a decent income, just make a normal video per day, talk about Amazon FBA and teaching the value that you can do, whatever you may know and whatever you're learning about. Just talk about it. You can get views and you can make things happen. This is just in the last month, for example. Someone posted a video, 29,000 views. He probably already had an audience, but you get the point. You don't need that many views. You only need like 100 views per video, guys. And I know that you can make a full-time income just promoting this high-ticket offer we're talking about here. I'm serious. It's not that hard to do, and you could do it, and let's go. Now, what does this audience and niche respond to? It responds to tutorials. Woo! It responds to viral potential content like this. So people are becoming millionaires from Amazon. This is how. So she's interviewing an expert. Kevin David is his name. And she's just talking about it, okay? And letting the audience figure out for themselves is Amazon a big opportunity and stuff like this. She's bringing in authorities and interviewing them and talking about it, and it's really valuable video, and it's a big viewed video. She probably made tons of money from this, obviously. This video right here is just a very authentic, genuine, and relatable setting he's in and as a person. Then he's just talking about it for beginners. And by the way, the best content for this sort of niche and any niche about making money online, beginner type content works really, really well. It works basically the best, guys, okay? It works the very best. Now this guy right here, he's basically talking about how beginners can make money with Amazon once again. And so people respond to this. Beginner content, just teaching people how they can do it. And you just be consistent and you can make a full-time freaking income, guys, with this. And as you really treat it more seriously and you're making better and better content about Amazon FBA, for example, and you're sending people to this and to your opt-in page and everything, and you're getting like sales all the time of this much, you're making thousands of dollars per day easily. And I know all of you guys just want to make like $100 a day passively, right? Well, this is thousands of dollars a day, and it's the same amount of effort to promote something like this as it is to promote something that's like $7. I'm telling you, it's so easy. Anyone could do this. Now, as you're getting views on your channel, whatever your channel may be, let's say your channel is this dude right here, this friendly person right here. You get a total amount of targeted views of 2 million views over time, let's say, throughout all your videos. And then what happens is if you connect your YouTube channel very easily to YouTube advertising, which is called Google AdWords, you sign up and connect it, you can then run retargeting ads to people. Yeah! Okay, that have watched your channel, and then you can run these really simple ads. You could just spend $10 a day. You're going to have a huge result from this, okay, just by following up with people and promoting this affiliate offer that you promote. You're going to have huge results from doing that. It's crazy. You have the autoresponder sequence in place, and you're getting a bunch of people naturally coming back to the offer to make a purchasing decision. That's very, very effective and powerful to do, guys. I'm telling you. And then here are the best tools to use. If you use any tools or pay for anything, just use ClickFunnels to make the funnels. Super easy. If you want to support this channel, what I'm sharing with you now, I don't need the money at all, but if you want to, you can click my affiliate link down below and you can go sign up for ClickFunnels. Super easy to do. This is the best software in the world. I mean, I know how to program, make websites. That's how I started out, and it took me so much time to make landing pages and everything. But ClickFunnels, it takes me like 2 seconds. So I do recommend ClickFunnels a lot, and they have way more benefits than just like using the software and stuff. And invest money in ClickFunnels, and then also getting the domain name. And then you're going to want to pay for an autoresponder, an email collection software. And you can also use ClickFunnels for that. But I recommend get one of these. I recommend out of all these, get Aweber. But here's just a list you can see. It's kind of biased because on this website right here I'm showing you on, HubSpot says they're #1, which they are a good software, but they're the one writing the article, so it's somewhat biased and funny. But anyway, GetResponse is also a really good one. So I recommend Aweber, GetResponse, and Constant Contact is also really good based off my experience. But just get Aweber or whatever one else you want to get, okay? And it's totally fine. Now, when you run retargeting ads, guys, this is how it works. You have a potential customer, they visit your site or they visit your YouTube channel, and then they just are interacting, and then you can follow up with them. You can literally follow up with them with a retargeting ad. It's so easy. Your retargeting ad can just be you like saying,
"Hey, what's up, guys? If you're interested in learning more about Amazon FBA, I literally have the best program in the world for you right here. It's called The Amazing Selling Machine. Just click my link anywhere on the screen on this video here,
and you can go check it out. It's literally the best thing ever. Tons of people are getting results with Amazon FBA, and this is the place to be if you want to crush it with Amazon FBA. Let's go."
And that's how I would make my ad, and then I'd make another ad and another ad to split test, and then I'd just run this ad retargeting my audience every day at just like $10 a day. And I'm getting back in front of the same audience that I've been making content for, and I'm just like retargeting them. And this works. There's no better effective form of marketing than getting in front of the people that know, like, and trust you already. The people who've interacted with you and gotten value from you. People who've watched this dude's channel, for example, this guy's like making bank, I bet, like 14 million views in this niche, and if he's promoting this actual offer, he's crushing it. But he probably has his own course and stuff. You guys can literally make racks with this method overall. If you don't want to do YouTube, which I do recommend do, and it's super simple and don't overthink it, but you can also do other forms of marketing and stuff to get in front of more people and build your email list and get more sales and exposure with your affiliate link. You could promote on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Quora, on Pinterest, and so many other ways. But if you double down on YouTube, I don't know of a better way where you can just straight up crush it.